Hi folks, Marty here, and today we're going to take a look at the wee song, My Girl. So it's in the key of F. I've got sunshine on a cloudy day, and when it's cold outside, I've got the month of May. Well, I guess you'd say, what can make me feel this way? My girl, talking about my girl. I've got so much honey, the bees envy me. I've got a sweet song, baby, than the birds in the trees. Well, I guess you'd say, what can make me feel this way? My girl, talking about my girl. Ooh, hey, 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 hey. I don't need no money, fortune or fame. I've got all the riches, baby, one man can claim. Well, I guess you'd say, what can make me feel this way? My girl, talking about my girl. I don't need no money, fortune or fame. I've got all the riches, baby, one man can claim. Talking about my girl, talking about my girl, talking about my girl. So folks, in that last section, we just played the song through at a normal speed. In this one, we're going to break down the chords that I used and just show you how to navigate around some of those tricky ones. And then we'll break down the rhythm before we go to the third section, where we'll play at a very slow speed for you so you can practice along with me. But don't forget, folks, if you're enjoying these videos and getting a lot out of them, don't forget to like and subscribe and even leave a positive comment. That'll be great. So here we go. First chord is your F chord. Next chord is your B flat. This is a tricky one for a lot of people, and there's a couple of ways to do it. You can play it like that, just the 3 fingers, leaving the first string open, or else you can do like a half kind of bar with the first finger covering 2 strings, or else bring the finger on up and just cover all the strings. Okay, so the next chord, a lot of people would find this tricky enough. It's your G minor chord. I'll show you how to do the proper chord. So you've got your first finger, first string, second finger on the 3rd string, 2nd fret, and your 3rd finger on the 2nd string, 3rd fret. And here is another easier way to do it, but it works sometimes and sometimes it doesn't. You've got to listen to the song to hear. Okay, so if I was taking it from the song, I'd be going, well, I guess. Okay, so what I did there is I just went from that F and I moved the 2nd finger down 1 string, and it's like a G minor alternative chord, let's say. If anybody knows the exact name of that chord, please leave a comment below. It's as close as I can get to it. Okay, and then you're into your B flat. And then there's 2 ways to play a C here. You can play the normal standard C with 1 finger, or if you had that B flat, you could slide that up 2 frets. So your first finger is in the 3rd fret, and this is a C chord. If you want, you can call it slidey, say, if you want, because you're sliding it up. Okay. And so you've got your C7 chord, which pretty straightforward enough. Okay. So I'm going to run through that sequence of chords. Okay. So you got your B flat, or sorry, your F, your B flat, and then your G minor alternative, your C, or your slidey C, and then your C7 chord. Okay, strum pattern is like this: down, down, up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, up, down. And if you remember from our previous videos on popular strum patterns, this would be our island strum pattern 2, where we finished on the downstroke rather than the extra upstroke. Okay, so I'll do it a little bit slower for you. Down, down, up, up, down, 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 up, down, change chord. Down, down, up, down. Okay, so you get the idea. Okay, so have a wee go at that, just playing those chords, getting your head around the changes. Okay, and then come back in the next part and join me in playing it through at a slightly slower speed. Okay, in this section, a little bit slower. I've got sunshine on a cloudy day, and when it's cold outside, I've got the month of May. Well, I guess you'd say, what can make me feel this way? My girl, talking about my girl. I've got so much honey, the bees envy me. I've got a sweeter song, baby, than the birds in the trees. Well, I guess you'd say, what can make me feel this way? My girl, talking about my girl. Ooh, hey, 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 hey. I don't need no money, fortune or fame. I've got all the riches, baby, one man can claim. Well, I guess you'd say, what can make me feel this way? My girl, talking about my girl. I don't need no money, fortune or fame. I've got all the riches, baby, one man can claim. Talking about my girl, talking about my girl, talking about my girl. So there you go, folks. Played a little bit slower. So have a wee go at practicing that and those chords and the progression and the strum pattern, and then come back to the part 1 where it's a little bit faster, and hopefully that'll give you something to keep going until we see again. So remember, keep strumming and keep her lit.